This is like that Alfred Hitchcock movie, The Birds. Like, it's so many. They all in the trees. And the person that lives here said they've never seen this before. And she's been here 40 years. They're all sitting on the trees and all over the ground. I don't know if y'all can see how many, but this is unheard of. Like, what are all of these birds? It's like thousands and thousands. They're sitting in the trees and they're all over the ground. I mean, all over. Thousands and thousands of birds. I wonder what that means.